with another video. And today we're going to be doing a review of the Vagabond. Yeah. Doomland's Vagabond. So you can see the name right here. Pump action. Cylinder. 2 different darts. I found this somewhere, so I just took it. This one said just Doomlands on it, and this one is just regular. Same, but this one has rings. So, today we're going to be testing it without batteries, of course. So, if you see like someone in a picture, this is what it would look like or something like that. It's pump action, not flywheel. I know flywheel guns, but this is pump action. Tactics rail right here. It's not that it's horrible, it's not a good gun. It has nice accuracy and some nice range. Let's try comparing it to my favorite gun called the Demonstration. It was at least one jam, and I had like no darts left after that. Subscribe, smash that like button. Bye.